So guys, today I will guide you how to pass the test or skill test of SEO on Fiverr. So go through the general instructions, duration, questions, instructions, and start the test. Here we go. And this is the protected test it is showing. Okay, continue. Go to the question number 1. MCQs. The first, what link carries the most valuable on page? I think the link in the main body is the most important. Yes. Okay, next. Where is the best place to put your keyword? At the beginning of the title tag. Yes, the first one is the answer, should be the answer. Next. Commercial business that create a Google business account are highly preferred by Google. No. I think no. Yes, it is no. Okay. What is the keyword cannibalization? When a keyword loses the power in each other, one have the multiple pages on. Yes, when the multiple pages are on the page and they are fighting each other. Next. LSI stands for latent semantic indexing. Yes. The third, latent semantic indexing. Next. More users desktop than the mobile. False. Yes, it is false. Next. We should move to the next. How do you fix the duplicate content or the deleting duplicate content or canonical tags? I think canonical tags should be the answer, because nothing is duplicate in the Google. It gives the preference to the real content. It means the canonical tag should be the answer. It's international test, therefore it is hard to pass. What is the best way to acquire the link? Link building should be the answer. Use the hyperlinks, rent links, buy links. Link building should be the answer. The second one should be the answer. Yes, I think we should go with link building. Okay. Indexing refers to the search engine being allowed to crawl a new page and reducing the information into the server. The second option is the answer. Next. What is the appropriate keyword density? Obviously 1 to 2% should be the answer. Next. Having your site SEO certified automatically improve the ranking. Okay, yes. What is the referral canonical tag? Yes, it shows the master content and removes duplication of the content. So the second is the option. Okay, which of the following is considered the gray hat technique? Having your text blend in with the background of your page. Yes, it is gray hat technique. Okay, next. When should you use temporary redirection? Yes, the third one is the answer. Yes, temporary updating your site for a short period of time. PADA and PR are abbreviated form of page authority, domain, acronym, page rate. Okay, personal authority, domain authority, page authority, page rank. Okay, I think none of the above. Okay, I think this is the answer. Next. How will you minimize the duplication of the content? Real canonical tag, refer canonical tag. Okay, next. Which of the following describe the pogo sticking? This should be the first answer. The pogo sticking is the one click after going on your web page. So the first should be the answer. Okay, next. Which black hat SEO technique detects the search engine the boot? Clocking, obviously. Next. How would you improve the accessibility of your website? Text, animation, images, all text. All. Yes, all of above. Everything is important. You can also put the answer in the comment if I am wrong in any question. What are the natural links? They are built organically. Yes. Okay. Next. The keyword search at the start of the project is good for strategy. Yes, it is true. It is a good strategy. Yes. Obviously, it's a good strategy. TF-IDF. That means the terms frequency inverse and document frequency. Yes, the third one should be the answer. Okay. Now I'll move to the next. Okay. What is the meaning of BERT? Okay, there's a background got a redirect from transform. Okay. The first one with the answer. How would you determine the page rank? It measured how the people page is. Okay. What was the Google's first update? Panda, obviously, but it is not mentioned here. The none of above is the answer here. Okay, next. Long tail keywords results hypothesis because it's close to the users are looking for. Yes, they are close. Next. Okay, a web server, a computer software that displays the web pages to user. Yes, third one is the answer. Okay. The trust flow, citation flow are the metrics that update the Google algorithm. This is one of them, but it's not all out. So in my case, it is false. True or false? All the major search engines are case sensitive. Wrong. We should never interlink your page in directly to Google lower your ranking. No, it's false. It's false. It improves ranking, in fact. What program are designed to crawl the website? Robot, spider, crawler, boot, all of above. Yes, all of above. The next. Major search engine can easily crawl HTML. They can crawl everything, but the HTML is the most favorable language. I think this should be the answer. Okay, next. What happened? Your page web has more than one canonical tags. Obviously, random canonical tag that is trusted. When speaking about the local citation, NAV stands for name, address, and the phone. Next, meta keywords are the most important factor for our own pages. True. Yes, it's true. Okay. Next. How should the local business acquire the high quality backlinks? All of above. Next. Should you use responsive design? Obviously, website have responsive design the most preferred by the Google. Next. Okay, this should be your answer. You need to check this your own. Next. So the Google indexing, when a Google bot crawl the page and stores information. Yes, 39, find the correct statement about the sitemap. This is the second one in the option. And test, I have done it. Yes. Okay friends, I tried my best and score 7. It is up to you how much you take the marks from the test. Thank you so much.